Hello guys, in this video I will teach you how to do a firmware update using the remote controller and the Eagle Browser app. It will be easier than just copy the file to the drone and do the updation because you don't need to take the head cover off. So firstly, you want to remove the paddles of the drum and put the battery in and make sure your mobile phone have a proper SIM card and you can connect to the network properly. And then you open the Eagle Browser app because in the updation process, we will need to connect we are using the Wi-Fi to connect the drone. So we will be unable to connect the Wi-Fi in your home. That's why you need a SIM card that can connect to a network. So click this button. And the second button, which in the English version of app, they will be shown as the firmware update. You will see this button. Just click it, and you will choose. It says you need to choose the device you want to update, and you can use in the app to update the drone or the RTK station. So all this information in your app in English version, they will be showing in English. So don't worry about that. So we click the drone for now. And it say if you want to update the drone, you need to connect the Wi-Fi name similar to FM05. What? So it should be a Wi-Fi like this. So you click this Wi-Fi, and it got a password. So the password is EFY-tech as the shown on the right side of screen. It's very easy. If the password wasn't correct, and you can telling our technical people, and we were giving you the right password for it. But the process will always be same. And you see now we connect to the Wi-Fi of the drone, and we swap back to the app and click confirm and update now. And there's a warning say please make sure you already take the paddles off just for safety. And the drone will start to verify the file and do the updation. And usually it will be like 10 to 15 minutes depending on your network. So firstly we will update the IMU. The IMU will be downloaded to your phone and then transfer to the drone and do the updation. And if inside the process of upgradation, if it reminds you the upgradation file, you just click retry or redo the process and you will be success. And next step is updating the GNS, and now is APU, and all the process is being done by automatically in the app, so it's very handy, very convenient. Only with Eagle Browser drone and the Eagle Browser app, and you can have this convenient experience now. And after they finish, it will start to update the FM05, which is the Wi-Fi currently using, until the whole process is being complete, and it will remind you that you need to restart the drone. So what you want to do is just reconnect the battery, and it just check the configuration if everything is right, and click back when you finish. And now you're ready to go. You already update the firmware of your drone. So that's it for the firmware updation. If you have other question, just send us an email or contact Eagle Browser After Sales Service crew. Thank you.